This is a little something that I've had in the planning stages for quite some time now. Time is perfect for me to get this going. About halfway through on a tusk that I'm working on, and I need some physical exercise. It's been a lot of fun, and I can't wait to get back to it. But I have to at least get this started, get physical. I've actually had this sort of thing, something in this magnitude, planned for years. I've had this piece of wood for many, many years. It's basswood, or linden if you're in Europe, lime if you're in Great Britain. I'm really looking forward. I wanted to do something like this, and this opportunity came up, and I'm like, yes, the weather's getting cool enough. I feel like doing something like that, something worthy of this piece of wood. The plan is, I should reveal, I'm going to do a seaman, a sailor, and he's going to be scrimshawing a whale's tooth. Because that's what I like doing. This is, of course, the most fun part of any carving, whether it's ivory or wood. It's the rough out, because you move a lot of material fast, and you start seeing things come up. The more material you take, the clearer your subject becomes, and it's just very exciting. Keep you guys strung along through the whole process. It'll take a while, but he's going to have a waist jacket. If any of you saw the harpooner that I did, it's going to be similar to that, slightly different headgear, but his jacket will be open and his shirt will be revealed, and going to be, holding a whale's tooth and a tool to scrim with, a little scribe. But right now it's get rid of the dumb stuff, and the stuff that just doesn't belong. I'm using I think it's 30 millimeter number 11, which is, they call it a veiner. It's got a really deep sweep to it, so when you're removing a lot of wood like this, you don't want to get your corners caught underneath the grain. It could split it out in a way that doesn't work for you. You can use it to split off great plates of wood if you're paying attention, make sure the split goes the right way. But these are great for really digging in and moving some wood. I'll keep you posted as this goes along.